today's video, we will be learning English idioms with meanings and sentences. Hang in there means keep trying to do something and not to give up. Hang in there, you will get the assignment done. Hang in there, you are capable of overcoming any challenge. Add insult to injury means to do or say something that makes a bad situation even worse for someone. People were forced to work longer hours and to add insult to injury. He criticized his cooking, adding insult to injury. Call it a day means to decide or agree to stop doing something. After 3 marriages, many men would have been more than ready to call it a day. Time to call it a day, we have reached our limit. A dime a dozen means very little value of something. Finding partner in this town is a dime a dozen. They are everywhere you look. Books like this are a dime a dozen. Hold your horses means to wait or slow down. Hold your horses, we are not ready to decide. Hold your horses, we will start the game as soon as the referee arrives. Slack means to treat someone in a less harsh or a critical way. Could you please cut me some slack? Give me a break and cut some slack. I am really trying to improve.